What's up guys? So today I went to the swap meet and I picked up these two phones. One is a Nokia Lumia 520 and this is just some LG phone that actually doesn't work. This is my first experience with the Windows Phone operating system, so I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. But what the really cool thing is, I got this for $1 and it fully works. Though I will not talk about what I found on the SD card. I should also say how scarily easily it is to factory reset a Nokia Lumia phone, or any Windows phone for that matter. I will say that this phone isn't completely up to date at all. In fact, it runs Windows Phone 8, not even 10. But it's cool, I have a Windows Phone here. I've never actually had a Windows Phone before. Just some things don't work, like the store. Yeah, we can't connect to the store right now. I haven't really tested the web browser yet, Internet Explorer, so we're gonna try that. Proceed to YouTube, let's see if it works. I apologize for the flashy frame rate, I don't know how to fix that. Okay, so it seems like it's actually trying to load. Oh, look at that. It's actually loading. Let's search for a YouTuber. Here's a look at the keyboard. Has TankPaws done a Windows Phone episode? Typing on this keyboard is actually really nice. I have small fingers. Is it loading? Take your time, man. It's trying to fall asleep because it's taking so long. Yes, just do it. It didn't even want to search. Fantastic. Why don't we try that? Search again. What is happening up here? YouTube.com. Damn it. .com/dankpods. All this just to watch a YouTube video. Wait, is that all you're gonna load? It's just that? Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is try to update it. So let's, settings, about. Look at this, look at the version. You probably can't even read it, but it says Windows Phone 8.0. What if we just update to Windows 10? Can we update it to Windows Phone 10? Who knows? Let's find out. It turned off. It turned off because it took too long to look for an update. Whatever. It's the dollar Nokia Lumia. At least it works and it does something more than this.